Hello guys and welcome to the video. Today we are going to look at the Casio GA-100. This is the full black version, a very beautiful true G-Shock watch. As you can see, the watch is going to come inside this cardboard box. You are going to have the model written right here, also the module, so the 5081. This is going to be the movement inside that can be found in other G-Shock watches as well. Inside you are going to find this metallic box that holds the watch within. As you can see, it is going to be just like that. And also here you are going to find the booklet, so the manual for your module 5081. This is going to feature all the functions and features in different languages. Then you are going to have your international warranty card for your G-Shock watch, and also the tag that confirms once again the module and the model number. When it comes to the watch, this is a great G-Shock watch for medium and large wrists. So this can still be worn by people with medium-sized wrists, and also you have a bunch of functions and features, especially if you are accustomed to G-Shock watches. You can see that we have the digital time, we have the date, and we also have the analog time right here. We have a cool light function, as you can see right here, and then we have the classic G-Shock functions, the stopwatch, the timer, the world time function, the alarms. Then you can set the time, the date, the tone, the LT1 or LT3 in case you want the light to be a little bit less, so for 1.5 seconds. Also you can see that we have G-Shock written right here, and the fact that this has 20 bars, so 200 meters of water protection. As you can see, a very sturdy and powerful strap. You have these holes that are going to be very useful if you wear it in the summer. You can go inside the water, the pool with this watch because it has 200 meters of water resistance. It is very nice. As you can see, the buckle has G-Shock written as well, so you have a signed buckle. This is a very well built watch. Let's also put it on the wrist and have a look. This is how it looks on the wrist. I have a medium sized wrist of 6.5 inches, 165 millimeters or 16.5 centimeters, and I really like how the watch looks. Here you have the side-by-side comparison to the Casio, the metallic version, the GM2100. As you can see, this one is a little bit more bulky and a little bit more larger in the case size, but nonetheless both can be worn by medium wrists, and this one can be a very nice fit for larger wrists as well. So make sure to definitely check it out and look at all the functions that it offers, guys. I'm sure you are going to love it. So guys, that was the video that I had for you today. I hope you enjoyed. If so, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. It really helps the channel grow. If you are into vintage watches, make sure to check out our website, vintageradar.com, link in the description box below, guys. And once again, if you enjoy watches, watch tutorials, watch unboxing videos, as you can see, I have 9 more Casio watches that I need to unbox right here. So make sure to subscribe if you want to check them out, and also leave a comment, let me know what you would like to see next on the YouTube channel, guys, and I'm going to see you on the next one.